Introducing a new solution for 1990 to 1993 Mazda Miatas, the DP-7528. Start this install by locating the two Phillips screws in the center console, the one under the ashtray, and the two on the front sides of the center console. Next, unscrew the shift knob and unplug the connectors to remove the center console. After the center console is removed, disassemble the radio trim panel. Note, you'll be using the factory hazard switch and AC vents. To finalize this install, your wiring harness will be the 70-7901. This kit is designed for a single DIN and double DIN install and can be used with the factory radio as a dash panel replacement. The 7528 is also textured to match the factory finish. For any more information on this product or other brands, you could visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.